Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sliding closet doors. First, accurate planning is crucial for a successful project. Begin by carefully measuring your closet opening, noting both the width and height. Next, select your preferred door material, perhaps a lightweight MDF or elegant mirrored panels. Consider whether you need 2 or 3 doors to cover the opening effectively. Finally, choose a track system. Top-hung systems are popular for their smooth operation. Now, let's move on to constructing your door panels. Using your precise measurements, carefully cut your chosen material. If your design involves a frame, assemble these components securely, ensuring all joints are strong. Take time to sand all edges until they are perfectly smooth, which is vital for both safety and appearance. Finally, apply a high-quality primer, followed by your chosen paint or stain, allowing ample drying time between coats for a durable finish. In the early game, your main focus is to protect your attack damage carry. Use Eye of the Storm to shield them from incoming damage and empower their trades. Don't be afraid to use Howling Gale to disengage aggressive enemies or to poke them from a safe distance. Always maintain good positioning, staying behind your front line. Once your carry is stable, consider roaming to other lanes to provide gank assistance, using your crowd control to secure kills for your teammates. The final steps involve hanging your doors and making necessary adjustments. Carefully hang the door panels onto the track system, usually starting with the door that will be in the back. Adjust the door height and alignment using the built-in mechanisms on the rollers, ensuring they glide effortlessly without sticking. Check for any small gaps and consider adding weather stripping for improved dust protection. Now, step back and admire your handiwork. Your new sliding closet doors are ready to use, offering both style and practicality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.